Well, the clouds are starting to get darker for some of us across the area. We're starting to see a little bit of rainfall move in here into the Huntsville area, maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well. And this is just going to continue throughout the afternoon for most of us across the Tennessee Valley. So right now, we're just going to continue to track a little bit of light rainfall. Like I mentioned earlier, this is what you're seeing right here on our FOX54 camera that I just showed you, is this area of rain and potentially thunderstorms. It looks like we're picking up on a little bit of lightning within that. And we're going to see coverage and rainfall increase heading into the rest of this afternoon. So for right now, we're just tracking isolated showers, a few thunderstorms, like I mentioned, to the north of the Huntsville metro, seeing a little bit of lightning involved within this particular system. And then it looks like southern Morgan, northern Coleman, seeing a little bit of moderate to heavy rainfall as well. Temperatures are starting to warm on up, low 80s for some of us, still sitting in the upper 70s for some of us as well. 80 right now in Florence, 78 in Pulaski. We're sitting at 80 in Fayetteville, 80 down in Coleman. Russellville also sitting at 80. Scottsboro and Fort Payne are also sitting right at 80 degrees. But those dew points, though, some of us in the mid 70s. So it is extremely muggy outside. And this is going to help to fuel the showers and thunderstorms that we'll see later this afternoon. Now, winds are relatively calm across the Tennessee Valley, but embedded within some of these storms that do develop, we could have the potential to see wind gusts of around 15 to maybe even 20, 25 miles per hour. This afternoon is just going to be kind of a copy and paste of what we saw yesterday with those scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, maybe a few of those prompting a severe thunderstorm warning. I know we had a couple of those yesterday. So heading into noon, so in about an hour, we're just going to continue to track mostly clouds for a majority of us. Temperatures eventually going to warm into the upper 80s for the afternoon, and rain chances are going to stay relatively elevated heading into about 4 or 5 o'clock this evening. And then once we get past 6 and beyond, rain chances start to decrease and will quieten down heading into the overnight. So our futurecast is going to continue to pick up on scattered showers and thunderstorms at least through about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock this evening, but 6 o'clock and beyond, it looks like we'll start a drying out process. We'll continue to sit under a mostly cloudy sky, though, for the overnight. And then it looks like we've got another round of rain and thunderstorms in the forecast for Friday. So for tonight, low 70s, we could see some patchy areas of dense fog develop throughout the overnight, like what we saw early this morning. That could be the case tomorrow. It's not expected to be a widespread issue. And then temperatures going to warm back up into the low 90s for the afternoon tomorrow, with scattered showers and thunderstorms once again in the forecast. So low 90s, that's going to be the trend for high temperatures throughout the next 7 days. And then it looks like we potentially could see a little bit of a cool down past Thursday of next week. But what I mean by that is we could see temperatures, high temperatures back in the upper 80s. So rain chances for the next 7 days are going to remain slightly elevated, about a 50% chance heading into Friday and Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday throughout the next 7 days. Those days look to be the better opportunity at seeing more numerous showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon. So for today, high temperatures probably going to be sitting around 89. Some of us could reach the low 90s, but heading into Friday and beyond, we will be back in the low 90s all across the board. Rain stays in the forecast heading into the weekend. Sunday, it looks like it comes with a little bit of a greater chance than Saturday. Either way, we're still going to be seeing a little bit of sunshine for the weekend, and looking ahead into early next week, we're going to keep rain chances in the forecast between a 50 to 60% chance for rain and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoons. High temperatures going to be staying in the low 90s.